Welcome to RajaFreelance channel. Today our topic is AI tools for digital marketers. Boost your business with smart automation. Hey there, digital marketers. Are you spending hours planning campaigns, writing captions, or tracking analytics? What if I told you that AI can handle most of that work for you, faster, smarter, and cheaper? Learn today's from this video, how AI tools for digital marketers boost up their business with smart automation. By the end of this video, you'll discover top AI tools that can transform your marketing game and help you save time while growing your business effortlessly. 1. ChatGPT, your AI content partner. If content is king, then ChatGPT is your royal advisor. From writing blog posts and product descriptions to social media captions and ad copy, ChatGPT helps you generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content in seconds. Just give it your brand tone and audience, and it'll write like a pro. 2. Canva Magic Studio, design with AI, not a designer? No problem. With Canva's Magic Studio, you can instantly create social media posts, videos, and ad creatives with AI-generated images, layouts, and even brand-specific color schemes. It's perfect for building consistent brand visuals without hiring a full design team. 3. HubSpot AI, smart marketing automation. HubSpot's AI tools automate your email campaigns, lead scoring, and customer follow-ups. You'll know exactly who to target, when to send, and what message works best. That means more conversions and less guesswork. 4. Jasper AI, copywriting reinvented for sales pages, product launches, and persuasive ad text. Jasper AI is unbeatable. It understands your audience and tone, helping you write conversion-focused marketing copy that actually sells. 5. SurferSEO, AI-driven SEO optimization. Want your content to rank on Google? SurferSEO analyzes top-ranking pages and gives you real-time keyword and structure suggestions so your articles stay search engine friendly. 6. Zapier, the automation hero. Zapier connects your favorite apps, like Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Facebook ads, to automate repetitive tasks. Imagine uploading a lead and automatically sending them a welcome email. That's the power of smart automation. So there you have it, 6 powerful AI tools every digital marketer should use in whole era. These tools help you save time, reduce costs, and scale your business faster than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI marketing tips and smart business tools. And tell us in the comments, which AI tool are you using right now? Thanks for watching, and remember, with AI, you don't just work harder, you work smarter.